Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show how to change the password of your TikTok account. Let's go. First of all, open up the TikTok app. Then bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your TikTok profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on the very first option, Account. And you'll notice that the second option is Password. Just tap on that. If you signed up for TikTok using an email address, this will send a 6-digit code to the email address associated with your TikTok account. But if you signed up using your mobile number, this will send that 6-digit code to your mobile number that's associated with your TikTok account. So depending on how you created your TikTok account, find that 6-digit code, then type it in here. I created mine with an email address so that the 6-digit code will be in the inbox of the Gmail app. Once you type that code in, you will have the ability to change your TikTok password. So go ahead and type in your password. It should be at least 8 characters long and have 1 letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. After you've entered your new password, simply tap Next. Now, you have successfully changed the password for your TikTok account. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.